Imagine having a full team of analysts, developers, designers, and researchers working for you 24/7. Now imagine they could turn your rough ideas into full reports, interactive dashboards, or even working apps in just minutes. This isn't science fiction. This is Perplexity Labs, and it's about to change everything you know about productivity. Perplexity Labs is the newest evolution from the minds behind Perplexity, the world's first true answer engine. First, they gave us lightning-fast search. Then came deep research, built for long-form, in-depth answers. Now, they've launched Labs, a workspace that doesn't just answer your questions. It gets the job done. Whether you're a finance pro, business strategist, creative mind, or data analyst, Labs turns your big ideas into real, functional deliverables, from reports and visualizations to entire web apps. So what exactly is Perplexity Labs? It's a powerful tool that uses AI to work on complex tasks autonomously. You describe what you want, and Labs does the rest. It reads, it codes, it builds, it can create full spreadsheets and reports, working web dashboards, interactive data visualizations, complex charts, slideshows, and documents, even complete scripts, screenplays, and prospect databases. It's more than just a chatbot. It's like hiring a multi-skilled digital team built into one workspace. Let's talk real-world applications. Labs isn't just a gimmick. It's made to solve real problems for professionals like you. Finance. Want to build a momentum trading strategy based on stock events and timing permutations? Labs can dig into historical data, generate performance models, and even create an interactive dashboard. Creative, working on a film concept. Labs will generate an original, genre-blended screenplay, complete with storyboards and deep character archetypes, perfect for pitching or pre-production. Business. Need a sales prospecting tool? Labs creates a contact database with company profiles based on your criteria, ready to automate your sales pipeline. Analysis, comparing performance trends over time. Labs builds advanced data visualizations to deliver insights, helping you make data-driven decisions fast. Here's what makes Labs truly game-changing: self-supervised work. Labs performs 10 minutes of autonomous research and task execution, combining tools like deep web browsing, code generation, and execution chart and image creation. File formatting, assets tab. Every file Labs generates, images, documents, spreadsheets, code files, is stored neatly in your Assets tab. No clutter, just usable output. Mini App Builder. Want a lightweight, interactive web app? Labs can develop one within your project. No separate dev tools required. Dashboards, slideshows, and even data-driven websites. Just a prompt away. Code execution. Need a script, a formula, a scraper? Labs writes and runs code to clean data, apply formulas, or build tools without any manual steps from you. You might be asking, how is Labs different from Perplexity's deep research? Simple. Search gives you fast answers. Research gives you deep insights. Labs gives you a finished product, fully executed, formatted, and built with multiple steps of work behind the scenes. Labs goes further by creating assets and interactive tools. It's not just about knowing something, it's about doing something with it. Labs is for anyone with ideas and no time to waste. Entrepreneurs building MVPs, students working on complex research, content creators building scripts, campaigns, or brand visuals analysts who need structured reports, not scattered notes, and even everyday users who want help with meal planning, budgeting, or organizing life. If you've ever wished you had a few more hours or a few more hands, Perplexity Labs is your solution. Getting started is easy. If you're a Pro subscriber, just open Perplexity on web, iOS, or Android. Click the mode selector in the input bar and choose Labs. From there, describe your goal. Labs will handle the rest, writing, building, and organizing the output into your project workspace. Mac and Windows apps are coming soon. Perplexity Labs is more than a tool. It's a step toward redefining work itself. The barrier between "I have an idea" and "I built this" is dissolving. Labs gives you execution at the speed of thought. It turns research into reality and information into impact. Millions trust Perplexity every day to learn faster, research deeper, and think smarter. Now, with Labs, you don't just get answers, you get results. The future of productivity is not coming. It's already here, and it's called Perplexity Labs.